So I got this 60 pieces of Bohemian bracelets. They're beaded. I absolutely love the variation of colors. I love how shiny the beads are. And I love the fact that I can wear it one size fits all. This works for women and it also works for girls. And the elastic band is very easy to put on and also to take off. I love that the shape of the crystal beads are so beautiful and delicate, and they will last a long time. Love that. I also love that the crystal beads have this smooth feeling and it's comfortable to the touch. It's very lightweight. It's very portable. I can wear it with any outfit I want, and also it's safe to wear and great for my skin, and I can stack it up whichever design I want. I absolutely love this, and I also love the fact that it just brings my whole outfit looking fabulous.